Fly away, friends. Go and remind the black thief that who rules this place. Go!
Oh my goodness! I loved him so much. I looked after and provided for Rukhsar and her son. But what did I get in return?
What did you get?
What did I get in return?
What did you get?
Poverty and lack of food. I think that we are going to starve to death.
But mom, didn't we just have kebab and biryani?
Dear son, I knocked myself out to provide you with that.
But dad, you look just fine.
He is too innocent.
Dad?
Dear Gulbadan, please be quiet. My son is in a shock. That's why he's blabbering anything.
Hey madam, please tell us, what is the matter?
Mr. Karim, don't you know that Aladdin has ran away from the house?
What? Really? Brother, my brother?
I'm not lying. Aladdin is missing since last night. He turned out to be a traitor just like his father. And Rukhsar is utterly broke.
What did you just say? That means Aladdin ran away with their money. They are a bunch of innocent people. All they wanted to do was help. My dear wife, you are the only one who can help them. You are the one who can give them justice. If you are going to help them, then they will remember you in their prayers.
I don't care much for that.
Along with that, they will also pay you 10% of their money. What do you say? 10%?
10%. 10%, yes.
Hey, it's only 10%.
Are you okay with it?
Yes. Madam, we agree with Mr. Mustafa. We are ready to pay you 10%. Please, just help us get our money back.
You will get your money. Consider it done.
I'm not doing it for money at all. I'm doing it in good faith.
Yes.
For this to happen, you will have to do as I'm going to say.
Yes, mother. I'm at your service. Just tell me, what can a beautiful man like myself do for you?
Dear son, I just want you to look into a mirror and get beaten up.
Father. Mother, I am with you. You are such a nice person.
So do you agree for this?
Yes, we do.
Yes, they have agreed. Yes.
We agree.
Yes.
So now all of you just leave the rest to me. And you all just wait and watch what I do. I am going to take the action and Rukhsar is going to bear the brunt. I swear on the gold coins.
I wish we should have eaten some tomatoes.
I found it!
What did you get?
A berry tree.
Hey, wait! Let me help you out.
I don't need your help. Get that clear. Rather, I think you need my help.
Pluck the berries, will you? You're so heavy! Oh God!
Yes.
come.
Higher. Higher.
How much do you weigh?
It's impolite to ask girls their age and weight. What's wrong with you?
How come there are so many crows around us?
It's a forest. It's their home. Where do you expect them to be? Let's go.
Get down! Oh my god, so many crows! We'll have to flee! Come on, run! What happened?
I am hurt.
We have to keep running!
No, I can't. I just can't run now.
We must keep running!
No.
I just pray my Aladdin is fine. He has not returned home since last night.
We are going to fast and lose our sleep
Until you return our money.
The world was conned in the name of
You are
love.
born in the name of trust.
The world was conned in the name of love.
You are born in the name of trust.
On every street there are cries.
That the mother's son do are thieves.
I think that the princess is on her way.
It is not a procession, my dear. She is being humiliated again.
On every street there are cries.
That the mother's son do are thieves.
Salim! Listen, this sloganeering is not serving any purpose. I'm going to tell you something now. Go and say the same to Mr. Kareem. You are completely worthless and you are such a big disgrace to the Ibn Battuta family. Why don't you learn a thing or two from your sister-in-law Nazneen? And if you fail to return our money, then you will have to work for 5 years for us as a maid at my home. Do you get it? Go.
We are going to fast and lose our sleep.
Until you return our money.
The world was conned in the name of
You are
love.
born in the name of
On
trust.
every street there are cries.
That the mother's son do are thieves.
We are going to fast and lose our sleep.
Until you return our money. Yes, we know very well that we are worthless in front of you. Because you belong to the Ibn Battuta family. We don't mind begging in front of you now. Because it is Nazneen who taught us to beg. If you don't return our money today, then your sister-in-law will have to work as a maid for 5 years at my home.
Yes, yes,
Yes,
you
she
must
must
serve
serve
as a maid. Dad,
Yes,
Hey,
she
stop
must serve
it.
as a maid.
Hey,
Yes,
cut it
that's
out.
Right.
Cut
Yes.
it out. Stop the blather. And stop sloganeering. I wish your beard gets infested with germs. I hope your body starts itching. I curse your family to be in deep trouble. Huh. Huh. Come on, Ruxar. You come with me. I swear on the gold coins, Ruxar, they are not going to budge at all. Okay, listen. I know you have hidden the money somewhere. You just hand it over to me. I'll go and pay them up.
Sister-in-law, I don't have the money right now. You tell me if I had enough money, then I would have tolerated all of this. Sister-in-law, please do something. Ask them to leave, please.
All right. I will try.
Yes. Where are you, Aladdin?
There are 2 diversions. Which way to go?
Be careful. Baghdad is elevated and the water is flowing from here. That means this path leads to Baghdad. Yes. Come on. Oh my god. She's unconscious. Get up.
On every street there are cries. Let the mother son do our thing. On every street there are cries.
Silence! All of you will get tired. Let's go. I swear on the gold coins, you all are doing this for no reason at all. She doesn't have any money. All of you have lost the money.
Hey, don't say that. There must be a way out.
Yes, there must be some way out.
There is only one solution. Go and complain to Subedar Akbar. He will arrest her and help you recover all your money.
Yes, you are right, aunt.
Shut up, man. I'm like your sister-in-law.
Yes, you are right.
let's go.
Let's go.
I swear upon the gold coins. Let's wait and watch, Ruxar. Huh.
What message have your birds brought?
Your praise are approaching towards our trap, sir. My friends are taking care of them. And now, no one can protect them from the trap of my carpet.
The trap of the carpet?
Thank God. We are safe from those crows. Now, this duplicate thief. I'll have to check her wound. Where should I lay her down? Huh? Wait. Who might have spread the carpet here? A carpet in this dense forest? Never mind. I will lay her here. Whoa! Oh my God! Where did this cage appear from? Oh man. This is so strong. I'm unable to break it. The lamp? The lamp is outside the cage. No one should find this lamp. My mom says number 3 spoils everything. The 3 of them must be from Muchard's people. What should I do? Come on! What should I do? I don't understand. I must look into her bag. I might find something that can help me get out of this cage. What is all this? Huh? A perfume bottle? Coal? Who carries such things during a robbery? What should I do? What is this? A mirror?
Aladdin, this is a new technique. Take a look. If we direct the sun rays towards a specific spot, then it can create fire in a while. Take a look.
Oh my God. Let me try. If Uncle Bulbul's technique works or not.
Congratulations, sir. The Black Thief and his assistant. Both of them. Both of them have got cornered in the trap of my carpet. Hud Hud Muchard. Hud Hud Muchard.
The black thief finally got trapped in my plan.
Sunlight? I do not have any other way out. I will have to create fire here so that I can protect the lamp from them.
The magical lamp. My dear Takla, you have impressed me by catching the black thief. You will be rewarded for this.
Hud hud muchad! Hud hud muchad! Let's go.